I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I'm giving you guys another Valentine's look. So here we go. I'm gonna upload this hopefully before the Valentine or just on the Valentine, but I'll try my best to do it before that. So I went for very pinky, very corally look for this because it's so appropriate for Valentine's. Usually pinks, roses, reds, it's all Valentine's, right? So hope you guys like this look. If you want to see how to create it, just carry on watching this video. And before you leave, do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe. And if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining my channel, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all. Hey guys, so here we go. We are back, and this time we are doing another Valentine glam. So I'm starting with a bit of a skincare. I applied a sheet mask. This is from a brand called OK, and this is their gold dust mask. Gives you really nice glow. And to pop a little bit extra glow, I'm using MAC Cosmetics strobe cream, and this is the original one. And I'm going to blend this all over my face, mainly going to focus on the high points of my face. But the thing I like to do with this particular product is I just blend it like a moisturizer, so I do have a glow everywhere else. For primer, I'm using Becca Cosmetics primer, and to blur out my pores, I'm using this product from Versailles. This is their blur perfecting, pore perfecting primer. For my foundation, I'm using my most trustworthy, my everyday go-to full coverage foundation, and this is from Clinique. It's their Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer, and my shade is neutral. I absolutely love this foundation. I am so much in love with this. I think this is my second or third bottle, which is about to finish anyway, but every time I know if I'm in a rush and I want to do a makeup which I know will come out perfect, this is the foundation I always pick. To carve my brow, as usual, I'm using my Maybelline Better Than Skin concealer, and this is in shade light. I'm just carving my brows. I already did my brow off camera, but I just wanted to do this bit on camera to just show you once more. Let me know if you want me to skip this from future, because it's same, nothing has changed. Same product, same technique, everything is exactly the same. And I'm just blending all this with blending brush. Now I'm just going over a little bit more where I think I need to fill my brow a little bit more, and for that I use my Benefit Cosmetics precision pencil, and my shade is number 5. For contour, I'm using LA Girl Pro Contour Bronzer Stick, and I'm applying this on all the areas where I want to bronze or contour. For my concealer, I'm using my MAC Cosmetics Pro Concealer, Longwear Concealer, just close to my under eye area, and everywhere else I'm going to use my Zuer Cosmetics Full Coverage concealer, and this is in shade Macadamia, and I'm going to apply this on all the other areas I want to be concealed or highlighted. I really like this concealer. It's super full coverage. It doesn't crease. If you are a person who has dry skin, you will love this, because somehow I don't know what's in the formula, but it doesn't crease. To blend my bronzer and contour, I'm using my Sigma 3D kabuki brush, and this is the foundation brush actually. And to blend everything else, I'm using my beauty blender. If you guys know a brush to blend your concealer, do let me know, because I always go back to my beauty blender because I feel so much more comfortable and so much more like comfortable using this because I know nothing can go wrong. For my blush, I'm using my Natasha Denona Daria palette, and I'm picking up the cream blush shade, which is quite nice pinky shade, and I'm applying the cream product first. Same with the highlighter, I just picked up the pink shade from the same blush palette, and I'm picking up the glow color, and I'm just adding that, which is extra, like it's a hot pink shade. To add extra glow and a pop, I'm using Cover FX custom enhanced drops in shade Moonlight, just a couple of drops, and I'm applying that on the high point of my face. To set my under eye area and my T-zone, I'm going to use my MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix powder, and this is in shade C3.5, or my shade is C3.5. To set my contour, I'm going to use the Studio Fix powder in shade NC45. This is an extremely good technique to do it because this particular shade, for my particular skin tone, it just gives me contour and the bronzer at the same time kind of effect. So I'll absolutely love this. To set my nose contour, I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury contour and sculpt palette, the one I'm holding in my hand, and this is in shade medium. To brighten my under eye area slightly more, I've used a new product from Anna Sui. It's their brightening under eye powder, and it is pretty good. I like it. I probably won't use it very close to my eyes because I do have a very dry skin, but just a little bit underneath, I think it'd be perfect. Now I'm picking up the same blush powder shade from the same palette, and I just set my blush, the cream base, with the powder. For the highlighter, I've used Wear Cosmetics highlighter in shade Topaz. Absolutely stunning. Like, I am so gutted, like camera hasn't picked up the whole effect, but it literally looked like my skin is like a glass. Everything was reflecting it. It looks so good. I will have to play around with the settings on my camera to do this again. To set the first base of my face, I'm just going to using my NYX Cosmetics Dewy Finish makeup setting spray. Now I'm going to do my eyes, and for eyes I'm picking up the Makeup Geek single eyeshadow in shade Shimmer Shimmer to highlight my brow bone. It's really nice shade. It's not matte, it's not shimmer, in between. For the transition shade, same, I'm picking up single eyeshadow from Makeup Geek called Cupcake. It's really nice pinky shade. And on the lid, I'm applying the shade Duchess from ColourPop Cosmetics Rosa palette. It's really nice pinky corally shade. It's not coral, it's not pink in between, but it's really nice. This particular palette is one of my favorites anyway because every single color is absolutely stunning. And I'm using Zoeva's Luxe Shader brush to fill my lid. Now I'm just picked up a Sigma E25, and I picked up the same shade of my lid, the same as my lid shade, and I'm just blending so there are no harsh line and everything is looking nice and smooth. And I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to take the same color and do my lower lash line at the same time. It's absolutely beautiful palette. It's not very expensive either because you're looking, I think you can get it from Sephora now as well, but it's one of the best palette in like really nice berry coral pinky shades. I absolutely love this palette. Now I'm just taking all the brushes back and forwards to make sure I don't have any harsh lines. For the inner corner of my eye, I use the shade Fairy. It's from Makeup Geek as well. It's very nice shimmery shade, like a pinky champagne, like it's a champagne shade but with more pink undertones. And for my mascara, I'm using L'Oreal's Butterfly Voluminize mascara. You know, I always have the same one. For my lip liner, I'm using by Terry's lip liner in shade Rose Contour. And for the lipstick, I used and I'm just using the same lip liner to fill my lips. For lipstick, I've used Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in shade Coachella Coral. It's really nice shade. I just didn't want it to do a pink or a red lip because that's so typical for Valentine's. I just wanted to do something different. And to add a bit more of a sparkle on my lips, I've used Wear Cosmetics gloss, and this is in shade Skin Frost. and I'm just using that in middle of my lips. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If I don't speak to you before the Valentines, have a great Valentines, enjoy yourself. If you're single, be ready to mingle or just enjoy on your own. Love you all. See ya. Bye.